how to download Lorex app on your iPhone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, you need to launch the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to your Play Store. Once you are in the store, you can tap on the search bar. Now type in Lorex and search for it. In the search results, you'll see the Lorex app. You can even check with this official logo. This app is developed by Webtech Technology Incorporation, so you can reconfirm all the details. Once you find the app, tap on it. It'll open up the app's page. Here, I'm using my Android phone, so it is showing up the option of install. If you are using an iPhone, instead of this install option, you will be able to see the get option. So in order to download the Lorex app on your iPhone, you just need to tap on the get option. In my case, I'll tap on this install option. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. So whether you use the Android or iPhone, the download process is pretty much similar. Once the download is complete, you will be able to see this open button. You can directly launch the app from here, so tap on it. It'll open up the app. You will see this login screen. From here, you can create your account or log into your existing account, and you can enjoy using the app. So that's it. That's how you can easily download the Lorex app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.